Hey guys, it's Miss Renee here again, and I just want to teach you all how to divide a four-digit number divided by a one-digit number using the rectangular array strategy. First things first, if we're going to use a rectangular array strategy, that means we need to draw a rectangle. Okay, here I go. Now, the very first number we see right here is going to be our dividend. Dividend means it goes on the inside. So how many digits do I have in my first number right here? I have 4. Therefore, I have to separate my rectangle into 4s. 1, 2, and this line right here makes it 4. Now you really want to make sure that you make it even and make sure it looks very nice. If not, do it again. Okay, so my first digit is 2. I'm going to put 2 right here on the inside. Let me get a better marker that actually shows up. Okay, my next digit is 3. And I shouldn't have said that. My thousands digit is 2. My hundreds digit is 3. My tens digit is 4. And this last, my ones digit is 5. And now this is my dividend because it goes on the inside. And this right here, that will be my divisor because it goes on the outside. Now, let me tell you something. If you always want to get it right every time, write your times tables. It works perfectly every time. So first I'm going to figure out my divisor. My divisor is the one on the outside, okay? What number do we have on the outside? 3. So we're going to write our times tables for 3. Okay, maybe I can have some kids fill it in with me. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. And 3 times 10 equals 30. That way that works on multiplication and division at the same time. Okay? So first things first. What is our first digit on the inside? What is our first digit? Dividend is 2. So we say, we're trying to find 2 in the dividend. So let me come over here. I have 0 and 3. 2 lands right in between. But I can't go over. So I'm going to circle my multiplication table that I'll be using. 3 times 0 equals 0. Automatically, you already know which one's going on top, and you already know which one's going on the inside. Now let me make it a little bit easier for you all, because I know some of you all like to say top and bottom instead of dividend and divisor. So my dividend is the one that goes on top, and my My dividend is the one on the inside, and my quotient is the one that's on top. Okay? So which one goes on top? 0. Which one goes on the inside? 0. Here goes 0. Here goes 0. Now, after I divide and multiply, now I'm getting ready to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. After I subtract, I got to bring that number on over. Okay, here we go. Watch me bring it over. Bring that 2 over. Now I don't have 3 anymore. Now I have 23. So I said, I got 23 on the inside. Let me try to find 23 on the inside. No, Mr. Renee, I don't see 23. But where does 23 fall at? In between 21 and 24. But I can't go bigger than 23. So I got to go up to 21. So let's circle our times table. I know which one's going on top, and I know which one's going on the inside. What number is going on top? 7. So after I divide, I got to multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So after I subtract, now guess what I have to do? Bring it over. Now I don't have 4, now I have 24. So I say, how many times can 3 go into 24? Let's go see. Do I have 24 over here? Yes, I do. So guess what? I'm going to circle that times table. All right, I already automatically know which one's going on top and which one's going on the inside. On top of my quotient, I have 8. So after I divide, now I multiply. 3 times 8 is 24. And after I multiply, I get to subtract. Well, 24 minus 24, everybody should know because we're all level 4 distinguished learners, is 0. Very good. Good. After I subtract, now I have to bring that number on over. Here I go. Now I don't have 5, I got 0, 5. But all my kids know that a number never, ever, 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 ever starts with 0. Good. Okay. So 3 goes into 5. Let's see how many times. Let's look for 5 on the inside. I don't see 5, Miss Renee. But 5 will go in between 3 and 6. But I can't go bigger than 5. So I got to come up 1. So I'm going to choose 3 times 1 equals 3. Let me circle it. Okay? I automatically know which number goes on top and which number goes on the inside. Let's go. Our top number as our quotient is going to be 1. After I divide, I get to multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. After I multiply, I subtract. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Oh no! I know my next step is to bring it out. Miss Renee, I got some stuff that's left over. Well, you know what that definition's called? Remainder. So very good. So we have a remainder of 2. So what's my quotient? I have my final quotient. I can find it here on top. All the way over. Is 781 remainder 2. And remember, class, that our quotient is the one that's on top. So I want to thank you all for subscribing and joining and watching. Have a great day.
Bye.